Hello my friend, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel, AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today the topic is how to repair our broken hatch. Now you can see here all hatch are good, but see this one, it's broken. Okay, see here and here and here. Our hatch are good, but this hatch is broken. Why like this? So now you can learn here. Please watch this video fully total. Then you can learn here. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. We make new hatch as normal, hatch enter. Okay, now I have a scale of 0.02. Okay, just select object where you want to make hatch, select, enter, preview. Okay, now again it's a broken hatch, but we are in the command. We are in the command of hatch, right? So press enter again, and you can see here bottom specified origin. So select this one and click to set new origin. Just click here, go back to your box to which one you want to make hatch. Click here. Now we can see, I think it's correct. Yeah, see, this one is correct now, as same like this and like this. Okay, so press enter again, click OK. Now this hatch is done. So any type of hatch you have, you can repair it here as with this settings. I hope you like this video and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so when I uploaded a video you can get a notification. Okay, please watch my all videos and share with your friends. Thanks, bye bye, take care.